All too often, the design and upfit silo is so focused on immediate savings, it tries to minimize the price of upfitting. That's not surprising. Quick savings are easy to see on an annual spreadsheet. But whether you're operating a fleet of vans or sedans, if you're focused on the upfit bill as opposed to your upfit specs, you'll likely end up spending more in the long run. These scenarios lead to lower driver productivity, increased downtime, and lower resale returns no matter the size and type of your fleet. They may require costly aftermarket add-ons and cause delivery delays, all of which will drive up your total cost of operations. Thoughtful and thorough speccing may at first seem hard to quantify, but with meaningful data at your fingertips and a strategically focused partner by your side, you'll recognize the savings that come from seeing the big picture. Remember, your fleet is an investment, and it's time it paid off. Holman has more ways to help you do that than anyone.